Welcome to our channel, The Child. Today I'm going to talk about an activity in the arena of exercises of practical life. We are going to show the child how to make lemon juice. So as I have discussed, as I have told in many other videos, it improves the hand movements, it refines the fine motor skills of children, and they understand what is perfection, what is striving for perfection. There will be a love for work, there will be love for silence. They love to engage themselves in a work, and these are all very personal activities, right? So mainly it also introduces something called dignity of labor. Any person can do any job, right? So having said this, let me tell you the material description. All we need 3 bowls with a spoon and a lemon squeezer and a tumbler and a wiping cloth. And also we need a mat like this to make sure that the child is not spilling anything. Even if he or she spills, we should show them how to clean the space. I'm just keeping it aside. Now invite the child and ask the child to sit on your left and watch carefully. So initially keep the bowls empty, let the child come and ask. Okay? How they should ask? They will say water, lemon, salt, nothing like that. Encourage the child to talk in full sentences. Okay? Let them come and ask, can I have water please? So in a way, we are introducing magic words as well. Now the child can come and ask for lemon. Can I have some lemon please? Can I get a pinch of salt? Initially the child may not say like that, but encourage the child on how to ask. May I get some sugar please? Ask the child to watch carefully on how to place the lemon. As I'm giving demo, I'm just telling you, explaining. Otherwise, make sure there is minimal conversation while showing the activity. Ask the child to mix nicely. Now the child can drink, or even the child sometimes feel like sharing with the family members, sharing with their friends, so you can also give extra tumblers. Okay? Now we will show the child how to wind up. So we will wind up in the same way as we have taken from the tray. Children will have high sense of order. They will be noticing all this. And ask the child if there is any spillage. If there is any spillage, ask the child to wipe. Now you can also show the child how to wash. Okay, you can take the child to the sink and show the child how to wash. Initially they may find it difficult. Initially they would have done it may not be, whatever they have done might not be clean as well, but let's not pass on any negative comments. Initial days we have to encourage them as much as possible. Slowly we can tell them that you have done a good job. You just make sure that to clean it even more properly. So if you tell, the way we communicate, it creates a long an impression will be created. Okay, so this is all about showing the child. If you notice, there is so much of conversation also. They are using their hands as much as possible, because at this age, okay, 2.5 to 6, intelligence is reached through senses. So they are seeing, they are listening, they are trying to understand, and they are using their hands as much as possible. So all this indirectly helps the child for something complex, where when they are supposed to write, it improves the pencil grip. Okay, so everything has an inner significance, and the type of bowls, everything you are using, make sure it is age appropriate bowls, and make sure there is little adult supervision. That is also important. Let me tell you my personal story. A week back I was not well. I had some stomach upset problem. I just took from my fridge and I cut the lemon into 2 halves and I gave it to my son. He prepared the lemon juice and gave it to me. No, it was a very timely help at that moment. So I hope you like this video. If it is useful, please share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.